Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Google Doc you want to check and making sure Chrome or your browser is up to date. This prevents UI glitches. Next, go to Tools and open Spelling and Grammar. Enable both spelling and grammar suggestions so Docs highlights issues as you type. Once done, scan the document quickly to let built-in checks identify problems. Make sure you pause after the first pass to decide which suggestions are actually helpful and relevant to your tone and audience. Now focus on the detailed review. Right-click highlighted words to accept corrections or choose Ignore if a term is intentional. Alternatively, open Tools Spelling and Grammar Review suggested edits to step through issues sequentially. This is faster for long docs. If a specialized term recurs, add it to your personal dictionary so it stops flagging. Once you apply or dismiss items, rerun the review to catch any mismatches and confirm changes didn't alter meaning or formatting unintentionally. Finish by running the full spell check from Tools to ensure no items remain. Read each suggestion out loud to confirm context. If you prefer extra checks, integrate a trusted add-on, but make sure it's permitted for your document's privacy needs. If suggestions aren't showing, clear your browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, or toggle the suggestions off and on. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in if highlights still fail, as a session refresh often restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.